Tanzania. Is the airlink, an aeroplane from South Africa. So here we were landing from up there to down there. Then we hear some voice of our captain. So the aeroplane were about to drop down very slowly. You can see the view there, you can see the oceans. Now it's there, you can see we are living up there, going down. Now you can see the houses are looking very small, but as we are going, you can see we are going down. You see very clear how Dar es Salaam is look. When you see at the up view, it look good. See some houses there, some roads, some houses there, some industries. We are passing the road here, the main road here. We are passing the Mwendokasi, so you can see very clear. So the airplane now is landing very slowly, very slowly at the airport of Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere. So this is airlink, an aeroplane from South Africa. It's a good aeroplane. It's good, it's nice. We enjoy the services. Now the aeroplane is about to land. You can see the houses now very clearly here. We have some industries. Yes. Now the aeroplane has arrived at Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere Airport here in Tanzania, and this is Terminal 3, the new one. Now the aeroplane is landing. Was good. We were coming from South Africa, and the trip was nice. We enjoy, guys.